In my culinary journey, I confess to being the world's worst cook. I've always relied on Sally, who's my carer, and Dean, Ruby's dad, for years. This is due to the fact that I have an inoperable and currently stable brain tumour, and I had a stroke which affected me down my right side, which in turn affected my mobility. I would always avoid cutting. I'd end up cutting myself. And timings, well, I just don't get them. Not anymore. Not with my brain tumour. Anything with a figure in it, forget it. I'm lost. But with guidance from Ruby's dad, I took a leap and ordered a meal pack from Gusto. I thought I'd try my hand tonight at the smoky Spanish-style chicken and rice. I found it challenging, yet I believe with more attempts I can master this. This has to be the best meal I've attempted to cook so far since my diagnosis. Check out the recipe below for those willing to give it a try. I guarantee you will love it. Despite getting flustered and struggling with timing on my first cooking endeavour, I do actually acknowledge my progress. With a helping hand in prepping, I've learned to plan ahead for a smoother experience on my next try. Life's about overcoming challenges, one recipe at a time.